classes that are not your grandma's etiquette classes. I help women with confidence, building the skills and power they need to be able to move forward and have a good life. And I would like to introduce my co-host, or our hostess actually, Miss Nina Winter of TISSU Sewing Studio.
Welcome to our first fashion show ever. This is the first one I've ever done, so we're all in it together. TISSU Sewing Studio is a school. I get so many people coming in and they're like, what are you guys? So it's 100% education, classes, workshops, different styles of learning. So if you don't want to take a public class, you can do private instruction at your own pace, and everything's on the website. So, and if you have questions, you can talk to me afterwards. Thank you for being here.
Hi, once again, like Jill said, my name is Marquita Atkins, and I'm the founder of Camp Destination Innovation. First of all, I want to thank you guys for coming. This is really big and huge. My heart is full. I really love Jill, and the second I met Nina, I fell in love with her. I am kindred spirits with people who have big hearts and who are authentic, and they definitely both fit the bill. So when Nina told me she wanted to do this for me, it just blew me away. You'll always hear me say, our youth are the best investment we can make that yields the best returns. Camp Destination Innovation is a camp geared towards showing kids careers outside of traditional norms with an emphasis on entrepreneurship and what we like to call STEAM. Science, technology, engineering, arts, math, and entrepreneurship and discovery is the ED. I only charge $25 for the youth to go to the camp for the month because I want accessibility. I want any kid from anywhere to be able to go to this camp. I think about parents who might have multiple kids and who are juggling, trying to figure out what are they going to do with their kids. And it shouldn't cost $400 a kid to put their kid in a program that'll break parents. So at the camp, they don't have to make that choice. Again, thank you guys for coming. I hope you guys enjoy the show. If you want to learn more about Camp DI, we'll have brochures over there. And thank you. This is going to be great.